Good morning, Shawn Lawson here at Arbutus RV. Today we've got our gloves on and wanted to take you around the Geo Pro Island Trek by Forest River. Today we're here at Arbutus RV in sunny Port Alberni, one of 5 locations here on Vancouver Island. And we've got our 19 BH Island Trek. This trailer weighs just 3,188 pounds dry and it's just loaded with equipment. You've got frameless windows, it's got solar on the roof. So you've got a flat panel on the roof there, 100 watts with a 1,000-watt inverter. You can run all sorts of equipment off of that. Toaster, blender, charge your phone, sit on your laptop, charge up your devices, all while just running off of your batteries. So just a great piece of equipment here on this Island Trek. You've got camera prep and a ladder. You can see just how aggressive the slope on that roof is. That comes in handy inside, giving you lots of headroom, tons of height there. And of course, snow and rain shed as well. So again, this is a bunk model. And with bunks, in this model, you get 2 single bunks. The bottom bunk folds up. There's a look into the trailer, just a little sneak peek. You've got some storage down below with access from outside as well as the inside. This extra external storage is great, especially being a bunk model. You can carry all sorts of stuff. Kids' bikes, coolers, you name it. Another look at the nice frameless windows. You've got your outside shower and your water connections. Gas, electric, hot water heater. Docking light switch there because you've got the LED light strip right underneath the tempered glass front windshield. That windshield, as you'll see inside, really gives a lot of nice natural light. We're not plugged in on this trailer today, but you'll see it's nice and bright in there. Also provides a nice view out the front of your trailer, which is often where you want to be able to look out onto your campsite or perhaps the view where you're at. You got a nice little dinette there. Lots of storage. We'll just pan through here. 22-inch Suburban oven there, little single sink, hot and cold water, and you've got nice cover over your stove. The igniter will light your oven as well as your 3 burners up top, so you're not reaching into your oven to light it with a barbecue lighter. You just click a button, turn it to your desired setting, and away you go. Nice little bathroom. Bit of storage up there for stuff. There's your shower. It's got the Aqua View shower miser. That's a great system for saving water in your fresh tank and not filling up your gray tank too quickly. I could tell you all about that. Just give us a call. There's a look at that barreled roof, giving you lots of height, and a look up into the front bedroom area. No slide out on this model, but for a little 2 single bunk travel trailer at 3,100 pounds, can be towed with many vehicles. Take a look at a couple of the electronics here. You've got your stereo by Furrion. That little switch there to the right is for your Wi-Fi Ranger, Wi-Fi booster. So that'll allow you to get much better Wi-Fi from your campsite. No matter how far away your site is from the office, it's going to boost your Wi-Fi a whole bunch for you. Real easy to set up. There's your panel for your solar, so you're all connected. Lots of great features in this. There's your air conditioning. So you got a furnace to keep you warm in the winter, and we'll warm this trailer up nicely with the block foam insulation in the walls, keeping you nice and toasty. And the air conditioner for hot days, which we are looking forward to coming here real soon. Lots of storage. You've got drawers underneath the dinette on both ends, plus the drawers underneath your front bedroom area. They've even put a couple of netted areas up top for you. You got puck lights all the way around. These are all LEDs. So tons of great features in this little 19 BH Island Trek. Hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, 5 days, 4 nights complimentary of Arbutus RV at Pacific Playgrounds. If you have questions, please give us a call. Have a wonderful day.